name is Arush. Today I am going to show you about Python and all. So today we are going to do some coding, simple and basic coding. So this is the most simplest coding. So we'll write this is print. So when you basically uh, put in function, it turns into a specific color. So we'll take some brackets. Sorry, we'll take some brackets and now some this. Next we can put any word into it like hello world, and just like that you can save. After saving you can check the output, and just like that it prints hello world. It may come. Okay, so just like that it prints hello world. So today I'm going to introduce you to variables. You can type any variable of your type like dj, voice, and sorry, friend, and any other variable type you can type. So if you want to keep any value to a variable, like I'm taking this one temp, so you have to always keep an equal to it to signify its significantly express its value. So in that equal you can put anything you want like 9090. You can put anything. So I'm going to use a similar type of variable for this. We'll use color. So we can use color. Next we put an equal sign to it, and we can put anything, any color of our choice like red, blue, or either green. So this software has a type of Python which can only commute to simple or either practical codes. So these are all my codes that I've done so far. So I usually think my most longest and my most best code is calculator. Here you can do both subtraction and addition. These are inputs, so you should add any input you can. And so first, if you want to add numbers, you should type add and add and write down any number, any two numbers. I'll take 500 and 380. So after getting this input, we have to save and we have to play it. So it will come submitted. So here our answer is 880, which is basically the correct answer. So I have done a lot of this in my life so far. So I want to show you some of my best codes I have ever done. This is yellow star. This is the only code in my software that includes a emoji. I don't know if this is emoji. I'm sure it is. So we'll save it and then play it. So, okay. So this code prints yellow stars in a column like that. I also have another code that prints normal stars but in a row. So it will print 10 stars in one row. We got to display. And we have the codes. Okay, now I am going to show you more about variables. Okay, where's this? So think this is a variable we'll use. This color. Yeah, like we used before, we are going to use this color variable equal sign. Now we can add any color you want, any output like red. So now if you want to print that variable, we only have to type in the variable's name. No hyphens needed. So we'll take this. We'll add print with shift and these. So these red ones now, we don't need to use them actually. So we can cut them out. Just type color. Sorry. Okay, so our input is going, sorry, our output is going to be color. The color which we put red. So we are going to see that now. Okay. Oh, here I forgot to change it. No inputs. No inputs. 7. I think someone's wrong. Anyhow, I still want to show some things. This is odd if. It uses if and else codes. So take a number for example. I'll change this number to 4. From 4 to like 453. So basically you know that 453 is an odd number. So taking any information, can this find if this is an odd number or not? So we'll just save it, save and play it. So it said 4 is an even number. Oh, sorry. It's kind of 107. Okay. Do again. So it said 453 is an odd number. So this Python code sees if the number is divisible by 2. Okay, if the number divisible by 2 and remainder given is 0, it will print the number is an even number. Else any remainder like except for 0 but mostly 1 with odd numbers, we will get the number is an odd number. So we have others here. So this is to find out a square of a number. Square of number. So you know the power square. So like 2 square is equal to 4 and 8 square, so on. So we can see, okay, so let's see the squares of the first six, 5 numbers. Let's go to save. See, okay, see that. So it says the square of 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 is 25. So this is the output what we get. I'm still confused about how the value will come. Still. So I want to show you something about words beneath hashtags. Not beneath. Behind hashtags. So let's take this iteration. So we have a lot of sweet words like you say in the morning to your mother or father. So we have a lot of these. So you know these green words, all of them start with a hashtag. These are the words that the system, the Python coding system does not interact with. Like these are used for noting things like if you put print today is Monday, so you need to note something about it. So that's why you use hashtags. Hashtags are very useful in the code language, computer language. So I think I have other codes. Yeah. So this is shopping py. It is where you combine both. So this is where you can combine both a variable and a word that needs to be printed. Still not sure about why the temperature come. Okay, so let's see what the output is. So we'll play this. So the item which is in the shopping list is milk. The quantity of it is 3. So 3 is the quantity. So the price is 2.5 rupees. Like most time you can get 2.5 rupees milk. The quantity is 3. Like we're getting 3 milk packets. So we have the output of this 3 milk packets at piece 2.5. But if each packet is 2.5 rupees and there are 3 packets, we need to also calculate that too. So I say we will do some coding here. So total user, yes, value, okay, is equal to sorry, here quantity, we'll use the multiplication sign, into this price. So now if we switch the price for total value, we should get the total value. So the actual value of 3 packets, all 3 packets, not each. So we'll set code, save. Wait for a while. Yeah, the system's kind of slow. Okay, it's coming. Yeah, see here. So 3 milk packets, 4 rupees, 7.5 rupees. So it's showing the actual price of all 3 packets and not each. So this is much easier than the last one. So thank you guys for making, thank you guys for being with me. And now if you've learned the basics of Python, hit that subscribe button and punch that like. So thank you so much. I've made a lot of interest into this, so I'll be with you. So bye bye guys. Bye guys.